How to share any Excel document to email. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Excel document through email, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Excel and choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and now go to the top here, click on this option, and now choose the second here, click on share as attachment, click on workbook. Now choose email option right here, and everything must be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.